Hi everyone, it's Janie here. Turkey leg and a nice cold beer. The state fair is canceled this year. No! That is what I look forward to every summer. But let's get dipping. Look, this is huge. It's like the size of my face. This was smoked and then baked, so it's very tender. Woo! Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna look really messy. Just to let you know. I don't care. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh. Good. It's so tender. Woo! Oh my god, it's all over my hair and everything. Like, oh the freak. We're getting flies now. Oh, go away. Okay, Missy, you're supposed to close the door when you're done. Go away, you ugly ass. Mmm. Oh my gosh. This sauce is so good. Like, I just don't eat the sauce. Oh my gosh. The sauce though. I look like Santa Claus. Santa Claus. I'm gonna give me another beer. I'll be back. Oh my god, it's cold as heck. Whew. I'm so happy to be making a video. Sometimes I just want to quit because I don't have time to make YouTube videos, but like I just miss all of you so much. Like, can we just hug? Like, squeeze all you hardly. Oh, maybe you guys can squeeze me because I'm pretty small, so hug! I just want to like hug somebody right now. Anybody want to give me a hug? I need a hug. Hug me, hug me. I think the bear is kicking in. No, I don't think I know. I'm gonna go apply my lipstick. How many of you actually finish a turkey leg? I can, but when alcohol is involved, like, I can't. I really drink. Woo! I only have one beer left of what I'm drinking. I don't like to mix my beer, but if I have to, I'm gonna have to. Oh my gosh, that sounds so like alcoholic. What's your favorite Disney movie? I'm not really into like Disney princesses. So one of my favorite movies is actually Tarzan. I really like Tarzan. But I also like Toy Story. And I also like Lion King and Tarzan. Oh my god, Tarzan. I love you, Tarzan. Oh my god, you're so freaking cute. Can I be Jane? I'll be your Jane. I'll be your Jane, Tarzan. Take me on those rope rides that you give Jane. So freaking cute. Like fun. Woo! Adventurous. Actually, I'd be scared because like I don't really trust people. So, but anyway, Lego. Oh, I get hiccups now.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon?
Oh my god, this makes me so sad because like I used to watch this stuff and then now kids nowadays are watching this. That just made me that much older.
Unexpectedly.
See you guys next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video because I sure did. Hey, bye.